Upgrade Loan Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how personal lending has evolved in 2025. Upgrade offers personal loans, credit monitoring, and financial tools, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming personal loans are only for excellent credit. Upgrade considers a wide range of credit profiles, making it a viable option for borrowers with fair to good credit. One major advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see Upgrade provides clear loan terms, fixed interest rates, and predictable monthly payments. Loan amounts typically range from 0 to 0 with repayment periods of 36 to 60 months, making it suitable for debt consolidation, home improvements, or emergency expenses. Upgrade also offers a built-in credit monitoring tool, helping you track your score and financial health. The application process is straightforward and fully online, with quick approvals and direct deposit funding, sometimes within one business day. However, there are cons. Interest rates can be higher than traditional banks, especially for borrowers with lower credit scores. Origination fees may apply, and late payments can result in penalties or impact your credit. Additionally, Upgrade does not offer secured loan options, limiting borrowing flexibility for those seeking lower rates. In conclusion, Upgrade in 2025 is ideal for borrowers seeking accessible, transparent, and flexible personal loans. While interest rates and fees should be considered, the combination of quick approval, credit monitoring, and clear terms makes Upgrade a strong contender in the modern lending space.